Today we are going to discuss about the topic arcing grounds. In order to prevent the arcing grounds in feeders, arc suppression coil or resonant earthing is to be done. Arc suppression coil is also called as a Peterson coil, in which it is going to reduce the possibility of arcing grounds. Now, if the system works on this system is going to work on the principle of L and C, inductance and capacitance. When they are connected in parallel, as seen in the circuit representation figure, at a certain value, the resonance will take place between them. And because of the characteristics of the resonance, this earth fault current is reduced or neutralized. As shown in the figure, suppose a fault is occurring at phase B, where R and Y are the healthy phases. Now coming to the fault current IF flowing through the faulty phase B, this particular fault current shall be equal to the magnitude of the normal capacitive current of two healthy phases, such that we are going to get the value of the inductance that we have to design, for it is made up of iron core reactor, such that this value inductance can be varied by means of the capacitance tuning method, by which at particular value of L and C we are going to obtain the resonance. And because of the resonance characteristics, the magnitude of the fault current IF is going to get reduced or can be completely neutralized. Now, as shown in this phasor diagram, let IR and IY be the this phase to earth current, means flowing through the capacitance CR, and CY for the phase to the earth current flowing through the healthy phase Y. Now CR and CY are shown connected across each other, and they are grounded, such that the value of the capacitive current, the resultant capacitive current, shall be the vector sum of IR and IY. Now the charging current IC will be leading the phase voltage of the faulty phase by an angle 90 degrees, and since the fault current IF is in phase opposition and is equal in magnitude that of the charging current IC due to resonance, so this fault current IF shall lag behind the phase voltage of the faulty phase VB exactly 90 degrees, as shown in the phasor diagram. Now this particular resonant earthing system shall be similar to that of the isolated neutral system, in which the phase to earth voltage of the healthy phases shall be equal to √3 times the normal phase voltage, while the resultant capacitive current, that is IC, is 3 times the normal charging current of one phase, that is VPH by XC. This IC will be leading the VB by 90 degrees, whereas IF will lag by 90 degrees with respect to the phase voltage of the faulty phase. Now at resonance, both IF shall be equal to IC, and therefore IF can be calculated using the formula VPH by XL, whereas IC 3 times that of the normal phase current of one of the phase, so 3 VPH by XC. Now equating these two, IF and IC, we can get the expression VPH by XL equal to 3 VPH by XC. From this equation we can obtain XL equal to XC by 3. Therefore omega L shall be equal to 1 by 3 omega C. From this equation, L can be calculated using the formula L equal to 1 by 3 omega square C. Now the fault rating of the coil thus is given by the expression IF equal to 3 VPH by XC. Since at resonance, IF shall be equal to IC in order to reduce the fault current or to neutralize the fault current. With this, we concluded arcing grounds, and the expression of the value of L to be designed is also discussed. Thank you.